Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to use Plarium Points in Raid Shadow Legends. Plarium Points in Raid Shadow Legends are basically rewards you earn across different activities in the game, and the cool part is they're mostly automatically used. You can earn them through things like the Plarium Points program, playtime rewards, events, or even purchases on the website. Once you accumulate points, you can see them in the Plarium Points section, which shows what rewards you can claim. For example, 50 points might give you 250 energy, 200 points could get you 25 diamonds, and as you progress through the cards, you unlock more rewards like champions, artifacts, or accessories. You don't have to manually spend the points, they're applied as you hit the milestones. So just keep playing, check your rewards, and let the Plarium points stack up automatically. It's an easy way to grab extra goodies while you're enjoying the game. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.